Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Yaris side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your Toyota Yaris is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. This ensures your safety throughout the process. Familiarize yourself with the mirror's components before you begin. Now, let's get inside the door. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry off the interior door panel. Start from the bottom edge and work your way around, being careful not to break any clips. Once the panel is loose, you'll see the wiring harness. Disconnect the electrical connector that powers the side mirror functions. This is crucial before proceeding. With the wiring disconnected, you can now focus on detaching the mirror itself. There are typically 3 main bolts holding the mirror assembly to the door frame. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these bolts. Once all bolts are out, gently pull the entire mirror assembly away from the door. Be mindful of any remaining clips or wires. Keep all screws and parts organized for when you put it back together. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Position the new mirror, align the bolt holes, and secure it with the 3 bolts. Reconnect the electrical connector and test the mirror's adjustments and heating functions to ensure everything works correctly. Then, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.